In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to Google Analytics 4 in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a seasoned analytics enthusiast or a newcomer to digital tracking, upgrading to the latest version of Google Analytics will provide you with enhanced features and insights into your website's performance. So let's dive in and get started. First off, you'll need to visit the Google Analytics Tools and Solutions page. This is the main hub where you can manage your analytics and access all the amazing tools Google has to offer. You can easily find this by searching for Google Analytics on your web browser and choosing the Tools and Solutions link. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into Analytics. Use your Google account credentials to log in. This is important to ensure that you have access to the right account associated with your website's data. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Analytics homepage. This is where all the magic happens. Everything from real-time data to user demographics can be found here, offering valuable insights into your audience's behavior. To continue with the upgrade, locate the Settings option. It's typically found on the lower left-hand side of your screen. Clicking this will take you to the administrative center of your analytics setup. In the settings menu, look for the option titled Data Collection and Modification. This is a crucial part of the process because it allows you to customize how data is being collected from your website. Click on that option, which will then lead you to select data streams from the list of available choices. Data streams are essentially the channels through which data is sent from your website to analytics. It's important to have the correct settings here as they directly impact the kind of data you'll receive. Now, once you've selected data streams, your next step is to click on the Measurement ID. The Measurement ID is a unique identifier for your data stream and is integral to ensuring data is accurately reported. When you're here, look for an option called Enhanced Measurement and click on it. Google Analytics 4 offers what's called Enhanced Measurement, which automatically tracks important events like page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, and more, without requiring additional coding on your part. Enabling this feature can significantly improve the quality and comprehensiveness of your collected data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated the process of upgrading your Google Analytics to version 4. This transition not only helps you maintain the continuity of your data, but also enhances your analysis capabilities with GA4's advanced features. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy analyzing!